what's up? It's Thomas J. Google here, first YouTube video in all of history. Let's start this Friday. Whoa! First my hand was on my feet, now it's not. What's happening? Yeah, 15 years old, first YouTube video. I don't know what we'll talk about. Whatever comes into my head, we'll talk about. No pun intended. Okay, so this is actually harder than I thought. That's what she said. But, you know, it's like, So, how about them Yankees, huh? No? Okay. So, I heard it's Jonas Brothers have a concert. Right? That's what they call it. Jonas Brothers. Whoa! 1 cup! 2 cups! 3 cups! This is not entertaining! This was my first YouTube video, and it'll probably be my last.